You've probably tried using the Search and Explore tab to find someone's profile by typing in a phone number you know. However, note that this doesn't work. While Instagram users can link their phone numbers to their accounts, it's designed for privacy, so it won't show up in searches or on their profile. But don't worry, you can try another alternative by giving the app access to your contacts. When you sync your address book and Instagram, the platform can recommend all the known profiles based on the phone numbers stored on your device. Let's start by making sure Instagram has permission to access your contacts. Open your settings, find Instagram, and toggle on Contacts if it's not already enabled. Next, head over to your Instagram profile dashboard and tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings, proceed to the Account Center, and open your Information and Permissions menu. Tap on Upload Contacts, choose your Instagram profile, and finally toggle on Connect Contacts. With your contacts synced, Instagram will start suggesting people you might know based on your address book. Head back to your profile. Look for the Find People section and browse through them. If you can't see the Find People option in your dashboard, go to your following list and look for the option below. Technically, you won't see phone numbers directly, but you should now be able to see familiar faces to follow. Keep in mind that you'll only see suggestions for people who have linked their phone number to their Instagram account.